I guess we can pause this game of wondering for a while. Amor is thirsty. He needs some water. Without speaking a word, I slowly moved and filled his water bowl. I'm still wondering how can this rude person be so kind? If you don't mind, can I ask you something? I took an attempt to check if he's willing to clear my doubts. Shoot, he said with confidence, willing to answer. I remember that day in the cafe when you were so kind to your pet. But when I passed on that note, you just ignored it. I hope you know that ignoring is a sign of being rude. So how is this rude person so kind to me today? I stared at him, waiting for his answer. That was lengthy. Well, I can explain. He looked at me to know if I'm willing to listen to his explanation. You have to. There's no other option. I grinned. I don't know if you had noticed it or not, but I left the cafe soon after attending the call. Actually, there was a parcel waiting for me at my place. Since there is no one else at home, I had to go as soon as possible to receive my parcel. So I hope you understand, he said, looking at me. Perfect excuse, I said to myself. By the way, my answer to that note is okay. I mean, you can pet her back for a while. I don't mind, he said, looking at me to maintain the state of equilibrium. Tit for tat, huh? After all, I have saved your life today, and agreeing with my request in that note is the least you can do. I sneered. Sorry, I didn't get it. When did that happen? He asked, being confused. There was a chance of you hitting to any of the vehicle moving on the street. So it's good for you that I was few steps away from the main junction of the street. Else you would have hit to anything or anyone, I said, being dramatic. But I was walking along the street, madam, and not on the street, he argued. I can't waste my time explaining to a dumb person, I ranted out of anger. Now it must be clear that who is rude and who is not. He grumbled and was about to leave. Tarun, you did not tell me when will you be introducing your pet to me? I asked in order to confirm the date and time of meeting. How often do you visit that cafe? He asked me. Not so often, once in a while, I said, still being confused. Me too. So let me fulfill this introductory part on the day when we will coincidentally meet in the cafe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. He waved his hand and moved his way. I doubt if we are ever going to meet again.